A lot of people get caught up in the loop of deciding if they want to do a remote job or a physical job. They say physical job, you are constrained to the location. You have to go to work every day, 9 to 5. You don't have freedom. You don't have, all the perks that come with remote life. And on the other hand, remote job, a lot of people say it's very, very tragic for younger people because of a lot of younger people need that interaction with people, talking to people, growing your connection, collaborating, which in turns help us in the future. So, but if you ask me, I would just say that like this life, no one has ever actually lived this life before, right? Nobody has. So, um, it's just left for you to try and try. And if the remote job is cutting it for you, then fine. You may be missing out in other things, fine. While if going to sites is working for you out, you're missing out on freedom and the rest, fine. It's just about what you want. Because at the end of the day, no one really knows. You're just living this life for the first time. Nobody really, really